Let's texture the lantern using Substance Painter. Start a new project and load the low poly model. Go to Texture Settings and press on Bake Mesh Maps. Press here and load the high poly model. We won't need the thickness map, so let's uncheck it. Go to ID map. In Color Source, choose Mesh ID/polygroup. In Command Settings, adjust Max Frontal and Rear Distance. Bake selected textures. Let's return to painting mode. Let's check ID map. Okay, no problem. In Shader Settings, choose PBR Metal Rough with Alpha Blending. In Texture Settings, add an opacity channel. Go to Layers tab. Let's start with a clean slate. Make a new folder and name it Glass. Put a fill layer inside. Right-click on folder and add a black mask. Right-click on the black mask and add a mask with color selection. Pick Glass Color ID with the color picker. Let's set up the fill layer. Go to opacity map and find dirt gradient. Let's change base color to black. Make a new folder. Take it out of the glass folder. Name it Small Holes. Make a fill layer inside. Right-click on the folder and add a black mask. Right-click on the black mask and add a mask with color selection. With the color picker, select color ID of small holes here and down here. Select the fill layer and bring opacity slider down to 0. Okay, cool. Let's add a smart material. We need to take it out of the folder. Wonderful job of Substance Painter. And not a bad job by your humble servant, if you know what I mean. See you in another tutorial.